Now we will take the another example. For example, if a girl having 40 kilogram mass of the girl moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. For example, the girl jumped over the cart. It is the cart. This is the cart having mass 3 kg. Mass is at, this cart is at rest. That means initial velocity is 0. Initial, or you can say mass, this cart is at rest. First. When the girl jumped having 40 kilogram mass, jumped with a velocity of 5 meter per second to the cart. That means the girl is on this cart. Now. What will be the velocity of the whole this thing? Or you can say now, after the collision, what will be the velocity of the girl? How you can calculate this final velocity? Now again you have to write the formula m1u1 plus m2u2 is equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. You have to put these values in the equation. For example, m1 is the mass of the girl, that means 40 kg, into what is the velocity, initial velocity of the girl? It is 5 meter per second. 5 into 5 plus, it is this term, this one. Now this term m2, what is m2? m2 is the mass of the cart, it is 3 kg into what is the velocity, initial velocity of the cart? Because it is at rest, that means velocity is 0, is equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. Now this whole term will become 0. Why? Because anything multiplied by 0, it is 0, plus 5 4 it will become 200. 5 4 20. That means 200 plus 0 is equal to m1v1 plus m2v2. Now it is 200 is equal to, if we look to this after collision, the mass of the girl and cart, we have to combine it, that, and it is the whole thing. It is one thing. We have to calculate the velocity of the whole thing. That means mass m1 plus m2, they don't have now the velocity is different because it is combined together. That means having velocity v. That means v1 and v2 are equal to v because they are combined. Now what is m1 and m2? It is 40 plus 3v. Then it will become 200 is equal to 43v. If we calculate, if we put the value like this, 43 will bring towards this side, it will become 200 divided by 43v, or you can say v is equal to 200 divided by 43. You will calculate v is equal to, it will become something 4 point something. That means the velocity of the girl after that collision will be v is equal to 4.5 something. It is the meter per second. It was the second example. Now the third example I will quote here. For example, the two hockey players. For example, two hockey players, one having 60 kilogram mass, moving with 5 meter per second. It is the velocity. It is the one player. Second player having 55 kilogram mass, 55 kilogram mass, moving with 6 meters per second, but in opposite direction. It is the velocity, but in opposite. That means if first player is moving towards this direction, and this player is moving towards that direction. That means it is having minus sign having opposite direction. First player moves, for example, by convention, first player moves from left to right, and the second player moves from right to left, right to left. Now, when they come close together and they get entangled, when they reach here, they get entangled. Both the players. What would be the velocity of the when they get entangled, and in which direction will both they move? That means we have to see the velocity of the entangled and direction. In which direction will after entangling will both the players move? Again, you have to put m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 u v2. m1 v1, for example, it is a 60 into 5 plus it is 55 into minus 6. Why minus 6? Because that player have the direction opposite to the direction of the first player. Now it is m1, that means 60. Again, if you directly put the values here, 60 into 60, because when they get entangled, both they have different mass. That means m1 plus m2 and having the same velocity v. It is like this: 5, 6 are 300 plus, then 55 into minus 6. It will become it is minus sign. Plus into minus is minus. That means 5, 6 are 30. 5, 6 are 33. 330 is equal to m1 v1. That means 55 plus 60, or you can say 60 plus 55 v. 300 minus, that means it is minus 30 is equal to 100. What is it? 50, 60 plus 5. That means 5, 60 plus 5. That means 5, 115 v. Now it is 3 minus 30 is equal to 115 v. Now this 115 minus 30 divided by 115 v. Then if you will calculate, it will get equal to v. And having negative sign, that means it will move from right to left. That means in opposite direction of the first player. The negative sign shows the opposite direction. Thank you. Have a nice day.